Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, we're definitely still within this channel right here that we've been in for more than a month now. So unfortunately, there's not really any clear direction until we break out one way or the other. I definitely was looking at this as a possible three waves up, possible three waves down and a possible three waves up. It's a 333 pattern like a WXY. If it really is a WXY, then this high right here may hold, and it may end up making a lower high and going down and breaking the structure, which would confirm that this is the end of a pullback on the daily. But like I said, we're definitely still within this range, and you potentially could just be trading the highs and the lows in this range until we break out. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely did make a three-way pattern to a fib level, so I definitely would potentially be trying to look for sorts right now. I mean, unfortunately, we're still within this range, so I mean, it could just go down towards the bottom of the range, come back up towards the top of the range. Unfortunately, until it breaks out of this range, there's not really a clear direction besides trading the highs and the lows of the range. For me personally, I am a trend trader, so when I see a pair in a range like this on the 4 hour time frame, I don't even trade it until it breaks out. But some people do really, really well trading a tight range. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.